Are you still creating Instagram posts the old way? If you are still using tools like Photoshop or even Illustrator for that matter, you're being left behind. Nowadays, you can create amazing Instagram posts and ads using AI tools, and you can do all of this in seconds. Let me show you how to do it. The tool we're using today is known as Ideogram AI. It's not a free tool, but it's very, very helpful for this kind of work. So, the first thing I'm going to show you is how to create a basic Instagram post. Before we do anything, we're going to work on these settings. You want to make sure that you have the correct aspect ratio. For Instagram posts, the aspect ratio is 1:1. The magic prompt option should be turned off because we don't need that. The style should be set to realistic since we're creating an Instagram post and we want it to look very real. As for the colors, you can decide. You can either use the default color palettes, add colors into your prompt, or use your own custom palettes. In this case, I'm going to use my own custom palette, which I'll paste here. If you want to learn more about using color palettes in Ideogram AI, you can go watch one of my previous videos. Please check the link in the description below for more details. Now that the settings are done, let's go ahead and enter the prompt. Just hit enter and there we go. It has a photo, text, your brand name, your website name, and even a slogan. If you tried to create this with Photoshop or even Canva, it could easily take you an hour to create just one of these kinds of images. But look at how amazing and realistic the photos are. No one would even guess that this was created with AI. The real magic in creating this kind of content lies in using the right prompts. If you want it, I do have a prompt collection for Instagram. Please check the link in the description below. Now, what if you have a specific product you want to feature in your Instagram ads? This is where things can get a bit tricky, but I'll show you how to easily get it done. First, you need to generate the base image. I'm going to use a simple prompt for this example, and in this case, I will not use a color palette. So now, let's enter the prompt for a Juice Instagram ad. Here are the results. Most of the text is good. Social media icons are present. I think this one is amazing, and that's the one I'll use. Next, you want to click on Open in Canvas option. It will take you to a new page. Now you need to upload the image of your product photo. Once you upload it, you'll need to position it properly next to the original image. I'm going to use the Arrange option to move the image backward so I can place it as close as possible to the original. Next, click on Magic Fill. You'll see two tools at the top, the Square tool and the Lasso tool. Use either of them to make a selection around what you want to change or replace with your brand product. Once selected, click Next. A pink box will appear. You should adjust the box to make sure both images, the original and your product, are inside it, just like I'm doing here. Try to make the box as small as possible because the AI will focus only on this fixed area. The smaller the box, the better the details. Once you're done, go back up to the prompt. You don't have to write a new prompt. All you need to do is edit the part of the prompt that describes what you want to change. In this case, I'm replacing pomegranate juice carton with apple juice. Then click on Magic Fill. Once that's done, click on the selected area again. You'll see an option for viewing the 4 generated images. You can use the arrows to preview them. Now, this isn't always a perfect solution as it depends on your product design. Sometimes it might not work perfectly the first time, but don't worry, you can always run it again. That's what I'm doing here. Finally, I got the one I like. I think this juice box right here is perfect. The text, the font, everything matches. So this is how this product placement tool works in Ideogram AI. But here's something very important you must know. As soon as you're done and you find the design you like, make sure to download it immediately. Ideogram AI doesn't store the changes in Canvas. So go to the download option, make sure the area you want is selected like this, and download it. Once you download it, you'll have your new Instagram ad ready to upload. Now, what if this method doesn't work for your products? If you want something more accurate, you'll need to use other AI tools. I've tried many, and the one that works really well is ChatGPT. It's currently free, so you don't have to pay extra. I have gone ahead to upload both images to ChatGPT. I also told it to replace the pomegranate juice box with an apple juice box. I used GPT-03 model, and this is the result I got. The design isn't perfect, the lighting has changed, but the juice box itself is spot on. The box looks exactly how I wanted it. The design just lost a bit of the lighting effect, but otherwise, Everything else works fine. Aside from ChatGPT, you can also use Canva AI tools. To do so, you should head over to canva.com. Create a new design with 1:1 aspect ratio. Import both images and place them in the canvas. Scale the original image to fit the canvas. Use the background remover at the top to delete the background from your product design. Then click on the original image. Next, you want to go to Edit option. Select Magic Grab, click on the juice box, then click Grab. The AI will remove the juice box from the design. Now place your new product design in the space where the juice box used to be. Once you're happy with it, delete the old juice box and adjust your new product image to fit. You should reduce the transparency slightly, maybe by 5%, so the lighting matches better. If you want to go the extra mile, go to Elements, type Shadows, and pick one of the first few options. Place it behind the juice box and adjust the transparency to create a nice diffused shadow lighting effect. If you want to learn more about lighting effects, you should check out the link in the description below. If you notice, the design has a spelling error here. There's no need to worry cause it's an easy fix. Click on the original image, go to Edit, then select Text Grab. Click on the text, and then grab. That's it. Now you can adjust the text as you wish. Here's the final result using all three tools. All three look very professional. You can definitely use them for your brand's Instagram ads, and no one will know you used AI. If you want the prompts I used to create these images, check the link in the description below. You can get the prompt PDF for Instagram posts and ads. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. It really encourages me to keep creating. Have a good day and bye.